What's up, guys? We are back here at the Parker Performance Garage, and we are here with Z-Store tonight, and we are actually coming to you from the new shop. We're actually coming to you from Parker Performance 3, and we're bringing you episode number 2 of What's in the Box?
All right, guys, so the first package we have is from Eibach, and they sent us a set of nice brand new sport lines for a customer car we have coming in soon.
So the Eibach sport lines are definitely one of the more aggressive springs that we install. We've probably installed somewhere in the neighborhood of 100 sets of these for customers. What we'll tell you typically is if you're looking for the most aggressive drop, it's either these or the Voltland Super Sports. This typically runs about $600 installed. That's parts and labor. And if you need a set of Eyebox, we're your guy. Next up is this promo package from Airlift Performance. As you know, we are an Airlift Performance dealer and installer. One of our favorite things to install on the S550 is the 3P kit. We told Airlift we were getting into our new shop, and here we are, obviously. And so we asked them to bring us some promotional material so that you guys could have some reading stuff while you're waiting in the showroom. So.
All right, this is the next package, and this is actually for my personal car, my M3. It is actually a new Bilstein rear shock because the other one on the M3 is blown out and it's leaking.
Like
and yes, I'll be replacing the other one with another Bilstein too. Don't worry.
Looks like a nice shaft.
It's a very I won't do that.
You're very good with your rod.
Yeah.
And next up, our good friends down at UPR have sent us a handful of goodies. Again, we've been reaching out to our vendor partners and to our sponsors and asking them for promotional materials and things that we could do to bring you guys some great products. So shout out to Brian and the UPR team and to Sherrod down in Lake Worth, Florida. They sent us some goodies. We are gonna have some stuff here for you to pick up. They've got us a couple banners here, which I'm not even gonna unroll them at this point, but you'll be able to come by and check them out. They'll be flying here in the shop. And they also got us some, these are the billet oil drain plugs, and this is the most, this is the most updated version. So these are not for sale. These units here are actually what we're going to keep in the shop here for you to take a look when you're hanging around in the lounge. You can see my idea behind that was that you guys would be able to see the quality of the products that they offer. Again, they're a Florida company. They use a lot of made in USA products. That's very important to us. So they sent us the billet oil drain plug. This looks like it's on my car, so that would probably be the 18 up, and this is going to be for the passenger side. So you've got your connection hoses, one with the check valve, you've got your installation bracket. Anyway, same concept here. This isn't a unit that we're going to sell. We're going to fabricate something to mount this to the desk. That way you guys, when you're here at the shop, you can take a look at it. You can see the quality of the pieces that you're going to be getting when you buy from UPR. So thanks to UPR, thanks to Brian, thanks to Sherrod. We appreciate you guys. Thanks for all the help with the RTR. And when you guys are here, you'll get to see some good UPR stuff.
Next, we have.
I could be wrong. We ordered some
I don't
more
think
stuff.
it is. That's why I kind of am hesitant to say.
Yeah, that was right. Now, Zach, tell them why we need a first aid kit, boo. All right, so that concludes episode 2 of What's in the Box. We so appreciate your love. We so appreciate your support. Hopefully you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving, had a good holiday. And as always, we're grateful for you. And if you'll continue to click the like button and subscribe below and comment below, we greatly appreciate that as well.
And here's some more videos we have right here.